As the largest privately owned business jet service provider in the world, delivering complete MRO services at 3 beautiful U.S. facilities, we traveled to Lincoln, Nebraska to meet up with Duncan Aviation.
Duncan Aviation is a family company. My grandfather started it back in the 50s. Today, we're the largest maintenance, repair, and overhaul facility for business aviation aircraft here in the United States.
Duncan Aviation is committed to providing an experience unlike any other to owners and operators of business aircraft by providing personalized expertise, innovative services, and ongoing support.
Duncan Aviation is a full maintenance, repair, and overhaul facility for business aircraft. In essence, we work on the aircraft from the tip to the tail. In our component level shops, whether it be landing gear or avionics and instruments, to the entire aircraft that you see behind me, Duncan Aviation serves the entire aircraft.
Even with the vast resources at the ready, Duncan Aviation is most proud of their expert team members who bring their best day in and day out to ensure Duncan Aviation remains a competitive leader in the industry.
Duncan Aviation is a different and unique place because of its team members. We have hundreds of team members over 25 years of experience here at Duncan. And in the 2,600 total team members that we have over our 3 locations, we have more experience and knowledge in business aviation than anywhere in the United States. I've always said, anybody can build the building and buy the tools. It's really about the people that you amass and the team that you bring together that touches the customer.
Robert Duncan has always said, if you take care of the employees, they take care of the customer, and everything else falls into place. The culture is great here. We have an environment where we promote innovation, and that has helped our team members thrive. The relationships, we're big on relationships, not only with our team members, but also our customers. Our customers trust us. Our team members take pride in their work, and we are known industry-wide as the experts.
Serving their customers with the friendliness and responsiveness of a small-town company, matched with a team of the most experienced in the industry, Duncan Aviation is the best MRO facility in the world.
Duncan Aviation is one of the world's greatest, solely because of our people. You know, our people are the finest, doing important work in business aviation together. And for over 66 years, it's been a family company that served not only our customers, our community, but each other as well.
As an industry leader providing high-quality service, excellent project coordination and communication, and on-time delivery, Duncan Aviation is one of the world's greatest.